Whawhetai Iesu, hua e mai nei mea ai tausi ai I mātou le whanau. Āmene. Oh, hey, Lea.
I don't know.
Ka. Sa ia le vai po ai le whekakoa.
Nessie!
Sabrina!
Surprise!
Nessa ai.
Elle est Sissy. What are you doing here?
I've been backpacking across the country and thought I'd come and visit you for a few weeks.
Oh, you want to stay here? Sabrina, my house isn't like a normal house. My mum's Samoan.
I've been staying in hostels. This is going to be like a retreat. Plus, I just want to kick back and relax for a couple of weeks. Come on, I'm starving.
Mum, this is my friend from uni. She's from Wellington.
Hi, Mama. I'm Sabrina.
Talo for the frena. Nessa not time you're coming for dinner.
Oh, yeah. It was meant to be a surprise. Surprise! Samoan food is so good.
It's good that you like Samoan food. Here, have some more.
Oop. Sorry,
It's
Mama.
okay, it's okay.
Mama, I'll have some more.
Hey, kipilaw ay ngal alapo.
Jokes.
So good. Thanks for letting me stay, Mama. Thank you so much, and thanks for the food.
Wait, you stay here?
Yeah, Nessa said it was okay if I stayed until I find a place.
Of course.
OMG, your mum is such a honey.
A real honey.
Oh, your mum's such a cutie. Thanks again for having me.
All good, sis.
Oh, I can't wait to have the longest sleep-in ever.
Oh, about that. My mum, she doesn't... Hello? Oh.
Nessa, come on. What for you quite my umi kele? Sabrina, wake up. It's getting late.
What's the time?
Nearly 6:30 a.m.
What are we late for?
Come on, Sabrina. Turn around. Come on, girls. You haven't got all day.
Yes, do you know where the vacuum is? Oh, yeah. Here.
All done.
Yes, girl. We deserve a night out after that.
Hey.
What's so funny?
My mum's kind of strict when it comes to going out.
But you're 22.
Samoan parentings.
Don't worry. I got this. So, Mama, me and Nessa's friends are going out for dinner. Is it okay if we go too?
Yes, I know.
Thanks, Mama. What is this?
Family local.
How long's it gonna take?
whai tātou lotu. Tātou wifo ma te tālo. Ia wael mātou te mapa ia o le langi. Le tua titili e se le langi ma le langi. Wak mātou whaalata la tātu i au luma nei. Amene.
Amene.
Well, it's time for bed.
I'm sorry we couldn't go out tonight.
It's all good. Your mum's such a sweetheart. Just a little bit different to what I'm used to. I cannot wait to sleep in tomorrow morning.
Hey, we can't sleep in. It's like this every day. In the school holidays, all we do is clean. What do you do?
Party?
Get some rest, girl.
Wake up. Wait, oh, where's the Frena?